I'm gonna be showing you how you can solve this problem, which is very common, which is like how to fix Alibaba payment files issues. Now, this works on iPhone, Android, like if you are using the app inside your phone or laptop. Now, first, I want you guys to understand this. Like if you are using any VPN on your phone, it's active, it's enabled. Make sure to turn it off or just delete the app, because that's going to cause the problem 100%. Okay, just in case, I'm gonna be showing you, of course, guys, how you can fix this problem. But just do this one thing, which is removing VPN if you are using it. Okay, you can also pay if your bank company declined the payment, before you call them and tell them like, I want to make a payment internationally on Alibaba. Is there any let me just pronounce this, any prevention. So if that's like, for example, if your bank is like, they recognized unusual activity, they will like prevent the payment. So just call them and explain to them that you want to make a payment internationally, and if there is any prevention, so that they can just remove the hold, and then you will be able to make the payment. You can also use PayPal. Like you can just like enter your card through PayPal, like pay using PayPal, and then enter the card that you want to use through PayPal. That will solve the problem. So another way, guys, you can try another supplier, because sometimes there are some suppliers with problems with their payment providers and they are not able to access payments. Just in case, okay, so you can just try other suppliers and see if that's the problem with a certain supplier or every supplier on Alibaba. Okay, so another way, guys, is to use another browser. Now if you are using the app, you can just try to pay using your laptop, and if you are using laptop, you can pay using the app, or you can just like download another browser like Brave. Okay, so just download Brave here, and this browser allows you guys to pay without any problems, like just in case there is a problem with your browser like Chrome, or there is a VPN, a hidden VPN on your Chrome that you don't see. You can just like download this Brave and then open your Alibaba account and pay there. Okay, so yeah, another way, guys, is to contact Alibaba directly. Just contact them, tell them exactly what's happening, and then they will be able to help you. Okay, you just need to scroll down at the very bottom, and then you can talk to a real human. Okay, so you just need to click here. It says let me check here, get support, and then you want to click on live chat. Okay, so when you click on live chat, you will be able to talk to a real human here. As you can see, that's available all the time. Most of the time you can just click on payment, not why not like for deal with how to pay, for example. Then you can just write here whatever problem you have, and then you will be able to help you fix the problem here. Okay, so you will get you to an agent, and then you can talk to a real person. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial helped you. If it does, drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. See you guys next tutorial.